Hello everyone, I'm Heyman and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. And from today onwards, I'm going to start a new video series on interview experiences. I'm going to interview multiple persons who got selected in different companies and hope that those things will be very useful to you while going for interview. So if you are a fresher or a person who wants to select for different companies, I'm going to interview different persons who got selected in TCS, Infosys, Wipro, CTS, Amazon, and different companies. So please watch this video till the end. And in this video, we will provide different interview questions asked in the interview. So let's get into the video. And I'm going to invite my friend Jagdish Dulpudi, who got selected for TCS through TCS Codervita. Welcome, Jagdish.
Yes,
Jagdish.
Thank you, Hemant, for welcoming to this call.
How are you, Jagdish?
I'm doing good, Hemant. How are things going about you?
Yeah, I'm fine, and here all things are good. And introduce yourself to the audience.
Hi, viewers and the subscribers of this channel. I'm Jagdish Dulpudi, pursuing graduation EC from LBRC College. Currently, I'm working as a software engineer. Now, I'm going to share the interview experiences that I have faced in TCS Codervita and also explain the pre-attending steps that we have to follow before attending for an interview.
Yeah, Jagdish. Okay. So you got selected for TCS, right?
Yes.
How did you clear the written test? What is the pattern of the written? Would you please share it?
Yeah. The pattern for the written test will be 6 coding problems will be given for us in order to solve that in 6 hours. So we can consider 1 hour for one program, or that will be based on our timing issues. So we have to read the question once or twice in order to understand the logic and get the logic out of it. So I have studied the code, each and every code for 1 or 2 times. Then I understood what will be easier, what will be tough, what will be the logic, and how should I write. So I have solved two codes which are partially executed. One is about finding the clock angle from some fraction. So they will not give directly about that. So they will give some real-time issues to solve that. The different languages, the different coding language that we can do is using C, Java, Python, and any other language that we know. I have solved only using C. One I tried using Java, but that was a fail.
Okay, Jagdish. What's the difficulty level of Codervita written exam?
The difficulty level would be if we have all the coding languages brushed up with all the languages, so that will be easier. Even if that will be moderate, that I could not consider that as easy because they will not be related to easily related, like giving write a code for a prime number. That will not be the case in the Codervita, right? So they will be giving a real-time issue to solve that. So that will be a moderate level of moderate level of exam. So I could rate that as a 9 or 8.
Yeah. So guys, the written pattern consists of 6 questions. You have to solve it in 6 hours, right? So the main point you have to note that you must not copy others' code. If you copy others' code, your code would be plagiarized. So there will be something called plagiarism check. If you copy from others, the plagiarism check will be enabled and your code will not submitted. Even the code submitted will not get selected. So maintain this important point. Don't copy others' code. If you copy others' code, you will definitely not get selected. Oh, Jagdish, how many codes did you write?
I have written 2 codes, Hemant, so that are not completely executed. So one code is for I guess that is 45%. One code is, and the other code is 65%. And since I have written on my learning experience and using my own knowledge, I have got selected, I think, because some of my friends has written one or two codes that are completely executed, but they are matching with a different person, so they failed in the interview, I guess.
Yeah. Note this point. Note this point, guys. So, this guy Jagdish only executed two codes, and one is 45% and 65%. Even though some of my friends executed two codes, that is 100%, but they copy from others. So, if you do not copy from others, even you executed 100% one code only, you will definitely get selected, because that's the level of code we have. You must ensure your knowledge only. Otherwise, you will not get selected. Okay, Jagdish, after how many days did after how many days you know that you got selected in written test?
After 13 days, exactly 13 days, we have written exam on 13th July. We got the result intimated through mail on 26th of July. And and the next day, that is on 27th, they sent a mail saying that you have an interview in Hyderabad, by sending their location to attend, and the date was on 31st of July. So the interview date was on 31st July.
How was your feeling after got selected?
After getting selected, the situation that I am in is I am traveling in a bus to my home, so I feel a lot more enthusiastic, because since my codes were only two executed, that were not partially executed, so I was feeling awesome. Like I will be very happy there.
Because I know that, Jagdish, after completing the exam, lots of people are so much happy because they executed two codes completely. They thought that they will definitely get selected. But if you write only two codes that are partially executed, but those codes were written by you on your own, that's why you got selected. Hard work never fails, friends. So you must ensure that you have to write your code on yourself only. Otherwise, you will not get selected. Okay. If your hard work is very good, you will definitely get selected. Coming to the next point, where did you go to interview?
We have gone to Hyderabad. That is on SEZ campus of TCS. So we have gone there. And one thing that I can say in written test, that is compilation. So we can run the code for several times. Like first one is for first test case, second test case. So all these test cases will be provided by them. So all those test cases must be passed. So until then, we have to run the test cases. So sometimes we'll get runtime exceeded or time limit exceeded. So all these errors could be known before. So that could be, we would be in a stage that we have to modify or rectify that errors in that particular point of time. So that's the more important point there.
Yeah. This is the important point, guys. There will be some thing called time limit exceeded. Even if you write your code very well, if the time limit is exceeded, your code will not be submitted, and that code percentage will be around 50% or 40% only. So you have to learn the programming such that your code must be very simple and must be compiled in a predefined time. They will provide some time while running your code. If you run the code in that time only, they will consider your code. Otherwise, not. So, Jagdish, coming to the interview, what's the pattern of interview?
The interview pattern will be initially, as said, they will be sending a mail, right? So there we will be provided with a reference number for each person. So based on the reference number, they will be allocating some particular point of time. In that time, we have to reach that location, and there are two rounds that were technical round and HR round, and based on the reference number, they will be giving some panels like panel A, panel B. So all this in that particular panel, some sort of people were allocated in that particular time. So my panel was a very difficult panel.
Oh.
Go ahead.
So coming to the TR, what are the questions they asked and what's the difficulty level of this question?
The questions that they asked will be easy, but at that point of time that we feel that is a difficult question. So once the questions were linked in your blog, I guess I have sent a document to you, so attach that in your blog. So there all the questions were written in that document. So I'll tell some few of the questions that they asked. They start from the basic level to the high level. So basic level to the high level. So at basic level they will take a less amount of time, and at moderate level they will take some amount of time, not less than or greater than that particular point, and at high amount of time they will take more time to ask questions, because they want a quality engineer to code and get the result out. So that was the point that they asked there. And in my point of view, questions were less, but they've asked me to explain the codes and write the codes in such a way that from starting of the code to ending of the code, that is from int main to return statement. So that's the difficulty there.
Jagdish, this is your first interview, right?
Yeah, this is my first interview.
How was your feeling when you were entering the interview panel?
Before entering to the interview panel, I have waited for 2 or 3 hours. So in between that duration, my feeling and pain was at most zero. Whatever it happens, I'll take it as no or yes, that's it. So my feeling would be that, like, whenever I have entered into the interview panel, so when she was asking questions, so since we have waited for 3 hours, so I should get yes, not a reply of no. So I have taken that as a challenge. I took up with this.
That spirit. And how is your resume? And what is the importance of resume in an interview?
My resume looks actually good. So in HR, they asked about a question like, where did you type or write this modeling or style of your resume? So I use some online websites and I use my documentation as well in order to prepare, because whenever seeing a person, before seeing a person, they will see the resume of the person. So that should look great before seeing a person. So I have to make that as good. So I made it like that. And in the resume, the main point is we have to attach our photo, because they could not, they have to imagine a person when studying their qualities. So that's the main point.
So how are the interviewers there?
Interviewers. So in my technical round, that was a lady who asked me the questions. So the interviewer was very jovial when we are answering the questions. So she asked about some silly questions, some difficulty questions, but some silly questions like why should we write int main there, or why is main more important? So those questions were also asked. While asking, she is also getting some smiles, because she knows that is a silly question. And in HR round, that was very easy, because one lady and one gent. So they both asked questions simultaneously, so they were easy. But technical round was a bit difficult.
Yeah. So note this point, friends. You have to make your resume very beautifully. So if your resume is very good and consists of very important certifications you have done, you are almost got selected, because the interviewer will think your resume as yourself. So after seeing resume, if they think that you are perfectly suited for this job, they will definitely select you. So make your resume very well. And coming to the second point, smile always in interview. If you smile always, they will feel that you are the good person, and they think that you are the good person, and you have to get selected in this job. So they think like you are their friends. If they think that you are their friend, they will definitely get selected you. Maintain smile in your interview. So, and another point is, If you don't know the answer also, keep answering whatever you know. Don't sit calmly. If you sit calmly, they think that you are not yet communicative. So answer something you know. If you answer something, they think that you know something or you are trying to tell something. That's what is important. So these are the important points. And so after how much time they said that you got selected in TR, Jagdish?
After 10 days exactly. So on 31st July, I have attended the interview. On 10th August, I
No,
have got the
Jagdish.
result saying that I have
After
selected.
TR, how much
After
time they
TR,
took?
that was
Yeah,
for 15 minutes, I guess. Not
yeah.
probably.
How many people
See,
from our college sent to interview?
one thing before this question. So
Yeah,
before attending to the HR, when I was leaving from TR round, so when I
yeah,
stood up from there, so the TR, the interviewer told me, hope for the best to happen, wait outside. So I understood that I have selected in the TR. That's the main.
yeah, yeah.
And your question
So
is?
after got selected in TR, I mean, you will definitely know after completing the interview because they will definitely say a certain hint that you are
Yes.
selected or you are not. In my case also, I feel that they will definitely give some sort of hint such that I will get selected. But they didn't give any hint also. I feel very bad after came out of TR interview. But around after 10 to 15 minutes, they called me into the HR room and they asked very brilliant questions for my interview. And I will share interview experience in another video. But let's talk with Jagdish. So how is HR interview, Jagdish?
HR interview is good actually because the questions were not so at high level, but were at a logical level. So that was the point there.
So what are the questions asked in the HR? Would you please share it? Some questions.
Yeah, I can share one or two. I have attached all those questions in there. So the
Yeah.
most probable question that have asked is, write 3 points that I would consider you to ask in this interview. So I have written 2 points. I have written one about general topics or issues that I could ask, and the second one is about your company, about TCS company, and third one is about your wish. So he has got a smile like, why are you writing your wish? I have asked you to write. So I have changed that to my personal introduction.
Yeah.
So he doesn't ask any question on that, but the main topic here is he has to. They were preparing like we are prepared before attending to the interview, so they'll guess what we have prepared on. So that's the main point of asking that question. And the next question is, what is the difference between extracurricular and co-curricular? So there we can have prefixes like co is in addition to and extra is more than that. So in addition to curriculum, if we do any activities, that is called as co-curricular. More than curricular, what we do is called as extracurricular. So that's the definition that I told. And with some example, if I tell, that would be easier to
Yeah.
validate.
How much time it took for HR?
HR is just 20 minutes.
Okay. After coming out of HR, did you get any hint that you got selected?
Yeah, I got a hint like, could you work in night shifts and morning shifts? So any shift is okay for you. Is that comfortable in any shift? Yes, I am comfortable with any shift. So then they have placed a tick mark in my before my name, so I could see that. So that I selected. I was
So
with a
guys,
positive impression.
in the HR, they will ask some sort of question like, are you free to work in night shift or are you free to work in day shift? You must say yes. If you say no on the time, they may not be interested to select you because TCS is a multinational company. So there will be different night shifts and day shifts also. Mostly they will not provide night shifts for ladies or girls. So for boys there may be a chance only. So please say yes on that HR interview. Please maintain a smile also. So we will definitely get selected in HR. So I have some questions for you, Jagdish. So
Yeah, go ahead.
what is the overall difficulty of the test? Could you please rate it out of 10?
I could rate that as 9. Yes,
So
9.
very
9
difficult.
approximately suits it.
Is it very difficult?
A written test will be more difficult. Interview will not be that much difficult to face. If that will be based on person's perspective or the interview perspective that we could not decide. So in my perspective, that was very easy, either TR or the HR. TR is a bit difficult. That took much time, but that was an easy. That's
So
about.
PR took around 50 to 55 minutes, I think. So Jagdish, is that right?
Yes, 50 to 55 minutes. That's the most.
So listen, guys, for about 1 hour they took TR interview.
Yes.
And another question I want to ask: what are the books you have referred while going for the interview?
For C language, I have referred Let Us See by Yashwant Kanechkar and Balasubramaniam. So all these textbooks I have referred. And for Java, our lecturer knows that helped me a lot to get more knowledge in less time, because he has told me some shortcuts and the techniques how to remember the definitions. The way he explained, I got remembered in that particular point of time. So that helped me a lot using Java, for Java.
So,
And for
guys,
data structures also, his notes helped me.
So for these interviews, you must prepare from your class notes as well. In our class notes, they say very precisely. So in a very rememberable manner. So if you study class notes completely, you may get easily selected, because all the basics are covered in the class notes. So another question I want to ask you is, in your resume, what are the different certifications you have written?
I have done mostly once in one site only, that is using NPTEL online courses. So I have done on 3 courses, that is 2 is on coding languages and 1 is about my core language, that is control systems, which is my favorite subject as well. And in C that I got less marks, but Java helped me a lot in interview. So I got more marks in that. So the main concentration was on Java only. So that helped me a lot.
Did they ask any questions on that certification?
They didn't ask any questions, but they asked about you have got more marks in Java. That is, you are well equipped with Java. So that's the question they asked.
Yeah. So, and what are the hobbies you have written in your resume?
Hobbies is, one is about calligraphy, and the next one is time ethics and socializing with my friends, or together growing. That's it.
Okay.
And the main interest was on hobbies. So they'll ask about if they were very curious about asking hobbies. So they will ask about that also. In my point, they asked about what is calligraphy. So calligraphy is writing in a design and structured manner. So they asked me to write a point, and I wrote it. That's it.
So, and what is your suggestion to your friends who wants to get into the TCS?
The suggestion that I would give to the friends or the viewers of this channel is code well and get more out of it. So if we code more by using learning experiences, we can get more out of this, either through experience or through some basic salary, or that we can get.
So guys, I would like to tell some points about Jagdish. Jagdish is very hardworking person from the first year itself. He didn't waste any time. He studied all the time. He got success. So everybody must work hard for something which you love. So thank you, Jagdish, for providing very wonderful information about your interview.
Thank you, Hemant, for inviting me as well. And And I have got a call letter on in September month, and there was also second round for qualifying to digital. So where I could not get into it. So that was very difficult test. So that I did not get into. So that is also the same pattern, 6 hours and 6 codes. So there we have to solve at least one. At least one is mandatory. So there at least one is mandatory. So that I could not cope up with.
Jagdish, I forgot about it. Actually, what is TCS Ninja and TCS Digital? Could you please tell me the differences between them?
Yeah. A TCS Ninja will be that different package actually. So that will have TCS Ninja will have 3.63 lakhs of package, whereas in TCS Digital will have 7 lakhs or 8 lakhs of package. That may differ based on our way of answering the questions and performing in the interview. That will decide based on 7 or 8 lakhs. So that would also impact in our project as well. If that was TCS Ninja, we'll be in some low level or medium level of project. If that was TCS Digital, we'll be in high level of project, because he has passed 2 coding rounds, so he will be having more knowledge. So that's it. And I end up with TCS NQT as that's it.
So, guys, after writing TCS CodeVita, if you got selected in the written test, firstly they will call you for an interview. In an interview, they will ask questions, and after that questions, after seeing your resume, they will select you based on your resume mostly, and mostly on your communication skills. If you got selected, if they provide an offer called TCS Ninja, your package will be 3.36, and if you after that they will call you for another written test. In that written test, that is called TCS Digital. It's very hard than first test. So in that test also there will be 6 questions around for 6 hours. In that also, if you solve 1 or 2 questions, you will definitely get selected. After getting selected in the written test, the interview is mostly based on trending technologies. They will ask about data science, AI, machine learning, and such sort of things. So those things must be reflected in your resume. If your resume consists of those things, data science and AI,
such sort of things, you may get selected. But if your resume doesn't consist of those trending technologies, it may be problem to you. So please learn some trending technologies to get selected in TCS Digital, because that package is very high, around 7 lakhs. So if your starting package is 7 lakhs, your future will be very good, I think. So thanks, Jagdish, for providing wonderful information once again.
Thank you.
If you want to say to our viewers, you can say anything about me or anything about our channel.
Please like and share to this. Please like and share this video if you and please comment your interview experience that you have. And if you want to tell some of your interview experience, please comment. Hi, I'll perform in this interview. So we'll contact you and we'll inform you as well.
So guys, if you have any doubts in this interview, or if you have any problem hearing anything, you can comment in the comment section below. We will contact you as much as early as possible. So if you have doubts in the written test, if you have doubts in the interview, whatever it is, you can comment below. I will definitely respond to as early as possible. So all the interview questions asked in the TCS CodeVita by the experience of Jagdish. He wrote some document, and I will be uploading that document in my blog. That blog link is below in the description. So if you want to see any question and answer also, you can just go into the description and get to that blog, and you can read some sort of very important questions. So if you know one important questions also, that may be benefited you in the interview. Even that question may lead to will lead you to get selected in any company. So if you like the content, please like it, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And I'm going to interview multiple persons, and I'm going to upload a different video on different day with different person. And as far as Jagdish also got selected in Value Labs also, he will provide another video just like this. So thank you, Jagdish, once again.
Thank you, Hemant.
So guys, keep smiling and keep rocking. Thanks for watching this video completely, and share with your friends. If your friends are going to write a CodeVita exam, this interview will be very useful. So I think so the CodeVita exam is on August 10th. So on August 10th, all the best for everyone. So hope you got selected in TCS, and thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you,
Keep
viewers.
rocking and keep smiling. Bye bye.